These are beans. Mmm. Oh, those are good. Like to gobble some more? Mmm. Not too bad. Try that. Try that for you. Mmm. Whoops. You like these more than I thought you were going to. Maybe you'll like the best vegetable of all, spinach. Some days you'll eat spinach and broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Beans are just the beginning. You want more? I'm willing to give you more. Oh! Don't talk with your mouth full. Some more. Yeah, is it good? Yummy. That's delicious. Can I have some more? I'm happy with you, Esme. Yeah. Alright, say goodbye to all your fans in video land. Say, we're going to stay here and eat some more beans. Chew it up. Chew, chew, chew.